Hi everybody, today I will tell you about differential equation. And in my last class I have told you second order linear differential equation, second order, third order, fourth order linear differential equation, but homogeneous with constant coefficients. Okay, today I will tell you about Euler-Cauchy equation. Simply it is known as Euler equation or Cauchy equation or Euler-Cauchy equation. And the format is see here. This is Euler-Cauchy equation. And the format is x square d square over dx square plus ax y dash will dy by dx plus by equal to 0. That means this can be x square y double dash plus ax y dash plus by equal to 0. Its auxiliary equation is given by, I am writing directly. So the format is in place of y write 1 and in place of x y dash write m, in place of x square y double dash write m into a minus 1 and so on. Here, so it will be m into a minus 1 plus am plus b equal to 0. So this is the auxiliary equation, and which is the quadratic equation in m. And this is a quadratic equation in m. If you multiply it will become m square. So this will give two values for m, say m1 and m2. So there will be three cases as before. That means this m1 and m2 will be real and distinct, maybe real and distinct, or maybe real and coincident, or complex conjugates. So there will be three cases. See here, first case. If m1 is unequal to m2, that means real and distinct case. So in this case the solution is, this is the case of real and distinct. Y is equal to C1 into x to the power m1 plus C2 into x to the power m2. Clear? And for case 2, when m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m set, and this is the case of real and coincident. That means real and equal. In this case the solution is y is equal to c1 plus c2 ln x into x to the power n. Clear? And if there will be three values, m1 and 2 and 3, so c1 plus c2 ln x plus c3 ln x whole square whole into x to the power n. And case 3 see here. If m is equal to alpha plus minus I beta, that means complex conjugates. Then solution in this case is y is equal to x to the power alpha into c1 plus beta ln x plus c2 sin beta ln x. So these are the three cases. Simply remember, here the format is x square y double dash plus a into x y dash plus by equal 0. If there is y double dash, then there will be x square. If there will be y triple dash, then there will be x cube. So if there is y dash, we should multiply x here. And here there is the derivative of y is 0 at the derivative, so x to the power 0, it is 1. Okay. See, I am giving one example. X square y double dash plus x y dash minus 4y equal to 0. This is in the form of Euler equation. Clear? And what is the auxiliary equation? I have told you. M into n minus 1 plus n minus 4 equal to 0. That means it is m square plus minus n plus n cancel out minus 4 equal to 0, and it is m square equal to 4 and m is equal to plus minus 2. And this is the case of first case. This is, see here, therefore solution is y is equal to c1 x to the power 2 plus c2 x to the power minus 2. Clear? See, another example I will give you. X square y double s minus 3x y dash minus 5y equal to 0. So this is also in the form of Euler equation. So Euler equation is m into m minus 1 minus 3n minus 5 equal to 0. So it is m square minus m minus 3 minus 4m minus 5 equal to 0. So after doing the middle of iteration, it will be m minus 5, it will be m plus 1 equal to 0. Clear? So m is equal to 1 is 5, another is minus 1. So this is the first case. So solution is y is equal to c1 x to the power 5 plus c2 x to the power minus 1. So this is the solution. Okay. See here, this example, and this is in the form of Euler equation. X square y double s minus 3x y dash plus 4y equal to 0. So what is the auxiliary equation? M into m minus 1 minus 3n plus 4 equal to 0. So it is m square minus 4n plus 4 equal to 0. Minus m minus 3m is minus 4m plus 4. So it is m minus 2 whole square equal to 0. So m is equal to 2. Here. So solution is, here the two roots are equal. So y is equal to c1 plus c2 ln x into x to the power 2. Here. And in the condition it is given that y dash. So find y dash. So ub, keep c1 plus c2 ln x constant, then the derivative x square is 2x plus derivative this one is, derivative c1 is 0, then c2 by x. c2 by x into x square. So it becomes y dash equal to c1 plus c2 ln x into 2x plus c2x, x cancel out. And given y of 1 is equal to 1 and y dash 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, first use this condition. And the meaning of y of 1 is equal to 1 means when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Ln 1 is 0, so simply c1. And x is equal to 1, so 1 square is 1, so c1 is equal to 1. Because the value of y is 1. So you have got the value of c1. And apply this condition to this one, y dash. When x is equal to 1, the value of y dash is 1. So x is equal to 1 means ln 1 is 0, so this part vanishes. And here x is equal to 1, so 2c1. And here x is equal to 1, so plus c2. And the value of y dash is 1, so it's equal to 1. So put c1 is equal to 1. So 2 plus c2 is equal to 1. So c2 is equal to minus 1. So therefore, the particular solution is y is equal to, put the value of c1 and c2. c1 is 1. So 1 minus ln x into x to the power 2. So this is the particular solution. Okay. And I will give the questions in the description. Please download it and do the problems. And you should do today itself. So that tomorrow I will give another video. Okay.